My salute to all of you who are here to witness our graduation day for the school year 2023-2024 with the theme, Filipino Youth for Stronger Future of the New Philippines. Kabataang Pilipino para sa matatag na kinabukasan ng bagong Pilipinas. To our dignified guest of honor, Ms. Luchelle Amparado Sorella, Ma'am, our very active and young PSDS, Dr. Glenda B. Goodmary. Ma'am, to our versatile teaching staff, headed by our motherly and responsible school head, Ma'am Delinda J. Bulahaw. Ma'am, to our ever-supportive parents, guardians, stakeholders, visitors, friends, my fellow graduates, ladies and gentlemen, maligayang buhay sa ating lahat. First and foremost, it is my great honor and pleasure to speak before you today. Graduation is not an end goal in itself. It is indeed a part of a larger journey of life. Many professionals have said that wherever a future takes you, let it take you somewhere. Yes, as life goes on, we will experience success and failures. Today is a memorable day for all of us because we have just ended an episode in our lives, elementary school life. In this regard, I am very thankful, first to God Almighty, for giving me this opportunity to stand here as a graduate with honor. To my parents, Papa Oscar and Janela and Mama Dinilin and Janela, to my tito and tita, kini akong kalampusan karon way bunga sa inyong pag-amuma o pagpa-eskwela ka nako from kindergarten up to grade 6. I am so blessed to have both of you who give me all the strength, love, and support at all times so that I may able to accomplish all the necessary things to have good grades. Ika nga, the roots of education is bitter, but the fruit it bears is very sweet. Looking back, almost 2 years ago, I felt so depressed, especially when we had our distance learning, wherein we learned list without the teachers around us in school. Maglisod man galing kong sabot sa mga leksyon ato na ang teacher, usa na lang atong pandemic times, nga kamera ang magbasa o magtuon sa among modules, pastilan pagkalisudod kaayo. Salamat sa Ginoo nga kalit lang nawala ang COVID-19 virus. To all my teachers, thank you very much for this year that you are physically here with us, teaching us everything for us to acquire the knowledge, wisdom, and best values in life. Our journey is long and laden with thorns, but our accomplishments in the school are very rewarding. Salamat jud kay ninyo sir and mga ma'ams, nga bisan sa among kabadlong usahay, wala jud mo ni hikaw sa inyong panahon sa pagtudlo kanamo sa tumang pagmahal, pagsabot, and with great patience. Dahil doon, ngayon, masasabi namin na kami ang mga graduates na hinubog ng matatag na edukasyon. At sana marami pang graduation ang darating sa ating buhay. Ipagpatuloy natin ang ating mga pangarap na may tiwala sa may kapal. My fellow graduates, babalik tayo sa paaralang ito na puno ng grasya ay magkakaroon ng magandang buhay at masayang pamilya. Now, I could simply say that we, the graduates of 2023-2024, are ready to face any trials and hardships in the future because we are empowered, and by this, we will celebrate and share our joys and happiness to our loved ones. And we will pray to God that He will continue to guide us in order to be closer to our dreams, to become successful professionals who are ready to serve our people and help our family and friends. Once again, thank you, my fellow graduates, congratulations and best wishes.
Thank you, Hope. That was very moving.